Hello, students. Let us have the summary of the lesson Packing in the Beehive textbook of Class 9th English. The lesson Packing is an extract taken from Jerome K. Jerome's novel Three Men in a Boat. It describes humorously the incident that takes place when the narrator and his two friends get engaged in packing their things before going on for a boating trip. It focuses on the fact that packing is an art and very few people are gifted with this art. Jerome, the narrator, and his two friends decided to go on a holiday. The narrator felt pride on his packing. He offered to do packing. George and Harris, his friends, were impressed by that. They relaxed by lighting a cigar and pipe respectively, then the narrator would do the packing. But the narrator had intended that George and Harris would pack and he would boss over them. When they relaxed, he was irritated. People's not doing anything greatly irritated him. He couldn't sit still and see others working. He would enjoy getting up and overseeing others working. He hated seeing people doing nothing when he was working. The narrator started the packing. He had finished packing in a short time. Harris told him that he had forgotten to put the boots in. He was going to close it. Just then he had an idea. Had he packed his toothbrush? He had some wild memories with his toothbrush. He turned everything out, but he could not find the toothbrush. He found brushes of George and Harris more than 18 times over, but he could not find his own. So he put the things back one by one. Then he found the toothbrush inside a boot. He repacked the things once more. The narrator finished packing the bag. Soon, George asked if the soap was in, but the narrator was in anger. He won't open the bag again. However, he found that he had packed his spectacles in it, so he had to reopen the bag. Then George and Harris undertook to do the rest of the packing. Harris and George were not good at packing. The narrator could see piles of plates, cups, kettles, cakes, tomatoes, etc. Soon the packing became exciting. Cups were broken. Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. George walked over the butter. The narrator sat and saw them packing. This irritated George and Harris. They stepped on things. Then they didn't find what they wanted to find. They packed the pies at the bottom of the bag. They squashed them after putting heavy things on them. George and Harris upset everything. George trod on butter while packing. George got the butter off his slipper. Then they tried to put it in the kettle. It won't go, and what was in wouldn't come out. They at last got it. They put it down on a chair. Harris sat on it. It stuck to him. They went looking for it over the room. The dog Montmorency had an ambition in life. It was how to get in the way and be a nuisance. He felt that his day was not wasted if he had made people mad. He had a high aim. It was to get somebody stumble over him and curse him. So Montmorency came. He sat down on things. When these were to be packed, he put his leg into the jam. He pretended the lemons were rats and put those into the hamper. Harris said that the narrator only made the dog do all that, but it was natural for a dog to do like that. The packing was done. Harris said that he had hoped nothing would be found broken. Then they decided to sleep. Harris asked the narrator if he preferred to sleep inside or outside the bed. George asked when he should wake them. They started to argue over the time. Finally, they decided to wake up at 6:30. Thank you.